today I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look that I did on myself. So first, I gotta hydrate myself, okay? And then I put on this lip injection from Too Faced, just so when I'm done with my face, my lips are a little plump. So for my eyebrows, I use the Morphe pencil in the shade Java. And I'm just going to outline my brows like you would see me doing, being very light-handed because I don't want my eyebrows to look too dark. And in the front, you will see me like drawing in an upward motion. That's so the front could look more like eyebrow hairs, and then I just fill in from then on back. Now this is my eyebrow gel from e.l.f. This is a clear eyebrow gel, and I just apply it to my eyebrows. You don't want to apply too much because a little goes a long way. Okay, trust me, I know. And to conceal my brows, I'm going to use the LA Girls Pro Concealer. This was in the shade Fawn. And I use that to outline my under eyebrow. And for the top of my brow, I will use my foundation. Now to prime my face, I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And I also put a little bit of face oil on my face as well. So for foundation, I use the FITME in the shade 340. And to blend it out, I'm using this Real Technique brush. I would use a beauty blender, but either one is fine. Either one is fine. Just make sure that you are fully coating the foundation on your face and making sure that you blend it in very well. Very well. For my concealer, I use NARS, and I'm putting that right up underneath my eye. I'm going to also put it down my nose, on my chin, and also on my forehead. To blend it out, I'm going to use a Real Techniques brush again. I really have like a whole pack of brushes from them, so most of these brushes I'm going to use are from them. Now for my contour, this is Tarte. I'm not sure what shade, but I'll put all the shades in the description box so you can go see about that. But I'm going to use this Tarte concealer to contour my nose and then my cheeks and then everywhere else. I'm going to contour. Then I blend that in with another brush, making sure to leave the product where it is, because if you move it around too much, it will look muddy. So you want to make sure that you keep all the colors in the same area where you first applied it. To set all of the areas, I applied my highlight. I'm using the Sasha Butter. No, I'm sorry, y'all. That is the Fenty Beauty setting powder. I'm so sorry. Now, if you know about Sasha Buttercup, you've been in the makeup game for a while, because that was my first setting powder I used, but I switched to Fenty. And I'm going to apply that powder to all of the areas I applied my highlight, and I'm going to bake a little bit. I don't usually bake a lot, but for today's video, I decided to bake. And also, after that, I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush again, and I'm going to dust all of that powder off. Once it's sat and, you know, did what it did in my face for a couple minutes, I swept it off. And now for the areas where I contoured, I'm just going to apply some powder to those areas as well, using a little bigger brush and making sure to blend it in very well so there are no harsh lines on my face. Once I do that, I'm going to apply some bottom mascara, being very careful to not mess up my concealer because I did it before. This is the setting spray I'm using, the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to set my face, making sure that it is completely dry right after I spray it. And then we are going to get into the lips. For my lips, I'm going to use this NYX lip liner. This is a MAC dupe for chestnuts, and I love it. I really do. So I'm going to apply that to my lips. Of course, I like to overline my lips. Who doesn't? And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Lingerie lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, so I applied it, and then I applied some gloss on top of it because I don't really like the matte look. So once I applied my gloss, this is how the look turned out. I'm also going to blend that foundation into my lace just a little bit, not too much. But I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.